Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making sheer khurma in Instant Pot, which only needs about 1 to 2 minutes in your Instant Pot to get ready. And from start to beginning, it's not going to take you more than 10 minutes. I'm also sharing some amazing gifts that you can share with your friends and family for Eid, Diwali, or any occasion you're going to be needing to send some sweet treats. It's a separate video, so I'm going to link it here, so make sure you check it out as well. Also, I am collaborating with two amazing YouTubers and we're bringing Eid desserts. Nadia from Bake Fresh has made these delicious date-filled cookies, which are a perfect way to use up the leftover Ramadan dates. And Mahavish from Moorfish Cuisine has made this delicious fusion rasmalai cake. I'm going to link both of their channels in the description box below, so make sure to head over there and share some love. Coming back to the sheer khurma recipe, the first thing is vermicelli. I'm going to be using about half a pack. And then I have about 1.5 cups of chopped dried fruits, whatever you have at home, whatever you used to love. Chop it up roughly. Then I have homemade desi ghee. It's pretty easy. I'm going to link the video here as well for you guys. And next I have 4.5 cups of whole milk and 1 can of evaporated and condensed milk each. Now let's start cooking. I have my Instant Pot on saute mode and I'm gonna let my ghee melt. If you're using whole cardamoms instead of cardamom powder, which I'm gonna be using, add your cardamom pods in your Instant Pot before you add your dry fruits. Let it get fragrant and then followed by your dry fruits. So once your dry fruits are fragrant, add the vermicelli. I have chopped it up roughly and you want to cook it till that also gets fragrant. You're going to notice once you add the vermicelli, it's going to fly everywhere. So once it tames down a little bit and is no longer flying and it's a little bit pliable, that's when you know it's ready. And that's when you're going to add in all of your milk. One thing is, please make sure your Instant Pot is super clean. Otherwise, any lingering smell is gonna infuse in your sheer khurma. So now I'm gonna put my lid on and I'm gonna make sure that it's on sealing mode. And then let's head to the control panel and I'm gonna cook it in porridge mode. You can use 1 to 2 minutes depending on the quantity. 1 minute works perfectly as well, but make sure the moment the timer is up, you have to do a quick pressure release. Otherwise, because there is fat in the milk, it can get a little bit stuck in the bottom. So here it is. You can see that my vermicelli is nice and fluffy. At this point, I'm going to be adding my cardamom powder and rose water. If you don't have rose water or you don't want to use it, use saffron infused water or kevra. And at this point I'm going to add my evaporated milk and condensed milk. Condensed milk is going to give it a creaminess as well as the sweetness, and for me this is a perfectly sweetened sheer khurma. And once it's ready, this is how it looks. It's going to leave a mark on the back of the spoon if it's not at this stage. Cook it for a couple more minutes, and now I'm going to pour it into my containers or your serving bowls and I'm going to put it in the fridge. I also decorated it with some chopped pistachios, some almonds, and some rose buds, which are edible. And this is how it looks after a couple of hours in the fridge. Super creamy, super delicious. So do try this recipe out and let me know how it turns out for you. I hope you like it. Please do share it with your friends and family and consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time, the Homemaker Baker over and out.